Coconut Man, what's up today?
Hey, Coconut Man is getting ready to plant a brand new coconut or nut that we've soaked in seawater for at least 3 to 4 days. So I want to see which kind of way it lays. You see how it's like pointed down? The tree is going to come out of here. So it says to put some rocks in the bottom of the pot. We don't have rocks, so we did some seashells for drainage. And then we're going to put a little just beach sand on top of that. Get a little drainage going with the sand. Then we're going to take some organic soil. We're going to mix that in with some beach sand. So we're going to stir this up, the organic soil and the sand, get a little mix going. And then we're going to put a little more in. You can see our coconut, how we're going to have it situated. Put a little more dirt in here. So anyway, you kind of want the point down like this. The tree's going to come up out of here. It'll grow roots on the bottom. So we kind of got it situated in there pretty good. We're going to put some more soil around it, sticking up a little bit. And then we're going to mix some more beach sand in there with that. We're going to keep this moist. Hopefully in the next couple of months we'll have a sprouter here. So anyway, we got another giant nut planted. Coconut Man out.